Hello, welcome to this video tutorial. This will show you how to deploy QuTScloud on Alibaba Cloud with the image on Alibaba Cloud Marketplace. Go to Alibaba Cloud Marketplace and search QuTScloud. Click Choose You Plan to start to create an instance. Select your billing method. Select a region where you want to set up the instance. Select an instance type that you want to use, must have at least 2 GB of RAM available. Attach a data disk. QuTScloud requires at least 48 GB of storage, but we recommend 200 GB of storage. Click Create to start to deploy QuTScloud on Alibaba Cloud. You can see the created instance on list. Use the IP address displayed on the Details page to access QuTScloud. Click the Start Smart Installation button to initialize QuTScloud. You can find the initialize video in the description. Thank you for watching.